Hey, you open the door.
Walk in.
No, you. Here, take a shower. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All better. Don't have a towel though. Okay, where else are we gonna go? Go this way? Pretty, huh? So we have to go this way because we're blocked. So we'll go this way. Oh, look, check this out, Mia. Come up here. You want to sit? Isn't that cool?
How would you get out?
Yeah, there's no drawer there. It's just, that's for when you're a little bit bigger. It's like a little place you can do your makeup and stuff. Where are we going now?
We going the tour.
Okay, watch out. Traffic. Wait till they're done. Okay, this way.
Oh, I want to look at you.
Okay, let's go. Hey, let's go look at washers and dryers.